Walk on that Curtis big heavy wooden box this tall, loaded down with welding rods. So you had to be strong, and I was strong.
Is Cille MacDonald, also known to her friends as Cille, a longtime Maui resident, and also Rosie the Riveter. Cille worked as a journeyman welder, building ships at J.A. Jones Construction in Brunswick, Georgia, during World War II. Also, in a few days, December 9th, she will be celebrating her 98th birthday. Once again, happy birthday.
Walk the class to get to your job site. It didn't take us but just a week to build a ship. We lost one a week. So we worked 7 hours. We worked double shift every day. Double shifts 7 days a week.
And how long was that period of time that you were?
To the end of the war.
Till the end of the war. The whole time.
I got an award for being the best welder in the shipyard.
I remember that.
For making the best bead.
Right, the bead.
For their welding bead, yeah. And then we'd get one ship welded together, and they'd do this to me. So I went over to the wet dock, and then everything got chipped out and burned out. I had to weld back for it to get the final inspection. So I was really proud of myself then for them giving me an award for having the best weld bead in the whole shipyard. I was really proud.
Being here with us.
Cheers to Cille!
So at the end of the war, my father had volunteered to be a policeman because all the police were drafted too. So I said, if he can do that, I can do more too.
We are lucky tonight to have in this hangar amongst us Marion Wynn, Jean Gibson, and Lucille MacDonald. And they are one of the most important reasons behind our success. Heroes one and all, thank you for being here.
Isn't that sweet?
Do you like it?
Love it.
Oh,
yeah.
love that.
Cille, that is wonderful. That's you.
Look at her.
All the day long, where the rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie the Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage, sitting up there on the fuselage. That little friend can do more than a male can do. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When the game
Dodo.
I can't believe
love you, Cille.
Love you.
Love you. Oh my gosh.
Let me make sure. How old?
That 98.
Ta-da!
Look how big that 98
the Riveter. Rosie, 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 working on assembly line.
We work very closely with the Navy to provide for that.
How do you feel about your service as a Rosie?
I thought I did a great job. I got awards for it.
Get on your motorcycle. Woo, woo, woo.
That's so cool. I love it.
When I saw the amount of parents that brought their young children,
Exactly what I was
Yeah.
going to say.
and I love that. I said, oh
Exactly
my
what I was
goodness,
gonna say.
thank heavens. Thank heavens, thank heavens. Some of these parents this morning, and when they told them that only one signature, I mean, one, if they bought the posters, they could have a signature. And it said only one. I says, no, not while I'm sitting here. I'll sign every one they bring, little children. And I said, want to get a picture? You know, you saw me.
I know, I did.
Maybe that was the highlight, seeing that a lot of parents brought their children. And I was happy to see that, really happy.
Signature, man.
What'd you say?
What did you just say?
Don't fool around, just do it.
Tell her.
Put my pants down and says, hit it.
We are humbled by your presence and thankful for your service and sacrifice. Marion Wynn, Caroline Kilgore, Lucille MacDonald, Clarice Lafreniere, Dolores Leonard, Delphine Claput, Virginia Bassler. We honor your service to our nation, and we must never forget it.
Oh my goodness, look at them, how cute! Wait, hold on.
Thank you very much.
She's sitting on, okay, we gotta get a picture of this. Go, Rosie! She's like, way to go, Rosie! There we go! That's beautiful.
That shocked the daylights out of him. Down on him.
That's right.
I just want to get even with him. I said, what are you trying to do, propose to me?
Hello everybody, my name is Young Marine Sergeant Major.
Answered the call of our nation. They took up jobs which many said they couldn't do. They built ships, airplanes, munitions to support the war effort. Any woman who took up a job on the home front during World War II is a Rosie. Rosie the Riveter. The Honolulu Corvette Club, and of course this trolley is escorting our Rosies for today's parade.
Birthday, dear Cille. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Cille, it's been an incredible week, and I am over the top, filled with love and gratitude for you and everything that you've done, and being a part of this meant more to me than you can even imagine. So thank you for letting me be here with you. You're very special.
Very special person.
So what would your closing remarks be?
Without you, I would have never accomplished any of this. How about that? Without Dodo, I'm afraid I would have never made it.
Are we coming back next year?
I'm just praying that things go well, and that, and that I'll be able to come again next year. I mean, that's my hope, but I don't know what to say with you.
Okay. I'm going to end it with, we love you so much, and happy 98th birthday.
Thank you so much. Love all of you. And you've been so wonderful to me.
Well, we love you too.